Hmm? Okay, hi. In last class, we learned about what is photosynthesis, definitions of photosynthesis, chemical equation of photosynthesis, what are the end products of photosynthesis. Now, we are going to discuss about mechanism of photosynthesis. This mechanism of photosynthesis not given in 10th biology, it's not given in detail. Okay, just given in outlines only. Just we have to discuss about outlines of the mechanism of photosynthesis. Okay, here in photosynthesis, mechanism of photosynthesis, that means how photosynthesis occurs. What are the intermediates it will be released? What are the factors useful for photosynthesis? Everything given in mechanism of photosynthesis. Here, generally photosynthesis occurs in two reactions. One is light reaction. Second one is dark reaction. Okay, the name only given, dark reaction and light reaction. The first, this is light reaction. What is light reaction? Light dependent reaction, and also called light dependent. It is depend upon light, so that light dependent reaction. And second one, light independent reaction. Light independent reaction. It's not depend upon light. So that light dependent reaction, light independent reaction. The first one, light reaction. Just we are going to discuss about light reaction. Okay, here in light reaction, that means it occurs in presence of light. I'm already told in sunlight, photosynthesis. Photo means light. By using light, they prepare the food. Green plants or green bacteria prepare their own food. That is, you can call photosynthesis. Here in light, photons, energy photons is there. These photons absorbed by chlorophyll. First step is what? The activation of chlorophyll. So that I have tried what? Chlorophyll activated. How it is activated? The chlorophyll is activated by to observe the sunlight. The chlorophyll pigment, which is actually in a leaf, if you observe the, just I will draw rough diagram. Okay, this chlorophyll, especially for this is a chloroplast. Okay, just observe. In chloroplast, chlorophyll pigment is there. This chlorophyll pigment observed, trapping the sunlight, and it will be activated. What is activated? Chlorophyll is activated. First step, activation of chlorophyll. How it is activated? By to observe, to trap. What they trap? Sunlight. What is the using to trap the sunlight? To activate, which is inactive stage. First of all, chlorophyll is inactive stage. When it is trapping the sunlight, when it is observe the sunlight, it is activated. When it is activated, this chlorophyll molecule useful for photolysis. Next step is photolysis. What is photolysis? That means by using sunlight energy, photon energy. Lysis means what? Breakdown. What it break down? Water molecules. How it is break down the water molecule? H2O, water molecules, it is break down like H plus OH minus ion. H plus OH minus ion. Action of reactions, the combination of OH minus ion, again it will be forms water molecule. This H plus ion useful in the process of dark reaction. Try to understand. In light reaction, what happened? Nothing, just chlorophyll is activated. The first, whatever chlorophyll is there, it is activated to trap the sunlight by trapping. After activate, it is useful to break down, useful to photolysis. What it break down? Water molecule broke down into H plus OH minus. Action of reactions, again OH minus combined and form water molecules. This H plus ions are useful in the process of dark reaction. Okay, next one we have to discuss here, dark reaction. Dark reaction. Already I am told here, in your textbook note given actually dark reaction. Dark reaction, nothing. Here the carbon dioxide Okay, four factors are useful in the process of photosynthesis. One factor is what? Chlorophyll in light reaction, water molecules, sunlight. Three factors are completed. Remaining factor is what? Carbon dioxide. Fourth factor, carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide converts into what? Carbohydrates by using intermediates. Carbohydrates by using some of the intermediates. How? How means what? Just okay, slightly we have to discuss. Carbon dioxide, it react with intermediates, whatever intermediates are present in leaf, in chlorophyll, that intermediate, for example 1,5-ribosyl biphosphate, it react with 1,5-ribosyl biphosphate and form what? Exose sugar. Exose sugar. This exose sugar is unstable substance. Unstable means what? It is not stable. Always it want to divide. Okay, it is unstable substance. It is divided into phosphoglyceric acids, PGA and PGO. Okay, this PGA by using ATP energy, and again it forms what? Glucose. Okay, so that the carbon dioxide using some of the intermediates. Intermediates means some of the, okay, whatever intermediates are present in leaf. Okay, by using some of the intermediates, the carbon dioxide prepare what? Glucose. This is we can call dark reaction, light reaction and dark reaction. It is not given in your textbook detail. No need to write these steps also in examination. Actually, what given here in 10th class is given actually given what is in light reaction. In light reaction, what happens? Chlorophyll is activated and water molecule are splitting the water molecule we can call photolysis. H plus OH minus ions. H plus ions are useful in dark reaction, intermediates, and carbon conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose. Okay, we can call especially for dark reaction. In dark reaction, what are the intermediates are useful? 1,5-ribosyl phosphate, exose sugars, and phosphoglyceric acid PGA. The PGA using ATP energies, and finally it will be forms what? Glucose ions. Okay, this is what, okay, outlines of what mechanism of photosynthesis. Now, what is the use of photosynthesis? In examination, so many times we asked one type of question. What they ask means what? How can you say photosynthesis is the important reaction? Okay, simple. How can you say photosynthesis is the important reaction? Okay, how are given what? How can you say the plants are very important in an earth? They are asking, okay, different patterns. That question only they are asking in different patterns. Okay, here, what is the importance of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means what? Especially for green plants using, they prepare the food. Whatever prepared food, that is useful to others. So that, okay, these plants are called producers. Already we know plants are producers. Producers means what? They produce the food for all. Producers means what? They produce the food for all. All means all type of organisms, even herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, whatever scavenger, everything directly or indirectly depend upon plants. Why they depend upon plants? The plants prepare, 1 minute. How can you say plants are very important? Means what? The plants produce food for all type of organisms. And also called, especially for, it provides us oxygen. In the process of photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus 12H2O. Okay, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. It is evolved. Without plants, we will not get oxygen in proper way. Oxygen is very important for respiration, for breathing to animals. Here, who releases the oxygen? Oxygen provided by plants. And so that afforestation is very important. It provides food. It gives what? It controls the temperature also. Okay. These are the importance of what? Photosynthesis. These are the importance of plants. These are the importance of green plants. Okay. Thank you.